Hello everybody, welcome to SDK Online English Classes. Now I'm back with another important topic which has been taken from the book of soft skills. The topic is here, SWOT or SWOT analysis. It is a universal topic. It is useful for everybody upon the earth. Especially this topic is useful for degree first year and as well as second year students. You can find this topic in your first and fourth semester English textbooks. Without wasting time, let us go to our topic today. So the topic is SWOT or SWOT analysis. Here I want to share a few things about how to do the analysis of SWOT or SWOT. Hence you need to understand what is SWOT and what SWOT stands for. So let me tell you the later one first. SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, and opportunities and threats. So here T denotes in SWOT is threats. Since it is a word that has been taken from the military terminology which conveys the negativity, in order to avoid the negative perspective and inculcate the positive attitude in the minds of the people, T is replaced with the C. Here C denotes challenges. Hope you understood. So in the initial days, SWOT is used. Now SWOT is used. What is SWOT here? SWOT is a strategic planning technique which is used to help the people, especially an individual being, an organization, in order to identify their strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and challenges related to the business competition. Let me continue from here. Here it says very clearly, how is SWOT useful and helpful? It has many advantages. Let me tell you one by one so that you can understand how important the SWOT is. Okay, the first one, to know thyself better. When we know better, we do better. It says very clearly, to know thyself better. Is it really important to know about us? Yes, it is really important for anybody to know about them first. Before I should try to know about someone, first I must know what I am. So SWOT is the one analysis which helps you a lot to know about you so that you can come to know about you and you can do the better that you can do. So without knowing about you, how can you do the better? That's what actually you must understand. So in this way, SWOT is useful. And the second one, SWOT is useful to set personal goals and achieve them. Everybody wanted to achieve something in their lives, but very few people, to be frankly, a few people are able to achieve success in their lives, are noted to be well-known people across the world. The reason behind of that is the lack of SWOT analysis. So SWOT analysis is the one which helps anybody to set goals and reach them. So if you really wanted to reach your goals and if you really wanted to set your goals, you better do this SWOT analysis. That is what actually has been said here. It's also useful and helpful to you to build your personality in a strong manner, which is very important. However, it is important to build your personality in a strong manner physically. In the same manner, mentally, spiritually also, you must try to build your personality in a strong manner. SWOT is the one which helps you a lot to develop a positive attitude. Let us move to the next one. SWOT analysis, useful and helpful in order to boost our confidence. It also helps us to move forward in our career. So if you really wanted to build your confidence and improve your self-confidence, wanted to have a great career, you have to do this SWOT analysis, a SWOT analysis. So SWOT analysis is the one which helps you a lot to face the reality that you must understand. Some of you may always try to be in your imaginations. It is good for some extension, but it is not at all good for the career or your future. So you must come to the reality and you must accept the things that are needed to be accepted by you. Okay, so it is the one which helps you a lot to know about the reality and even to face the reality. That is what actually has been said here. Let us move to the next one. It also helps you to be one step ahead from others. Yes, SWOT analysis helps you a lot to move little forward compared to other people in your career towards success, towards getting happiness, something that you wanted to get. It helps you a lot to be excel in profession. To be excel is nothing but to be better, to do better. So a SWOT analysis is the one which helps you a lot to do better, to be better. So maybe in your profession, maybe in your personal life, it helps you a lot to be better, to make yourself to be better. So that is what actually had been said here. It makes you as a qualitative person. So this is also one more important thing that you need to understand. SWOT analysis or SWOT analysis helps you and makes you as a qualitative person. So compared to many people upon the earth, compared to your well-being, so you can be qualitative, you can be productive, you can be innovative. So SWOT analysis is the one which helps you a lot to be a better person, even in your profession, and at the same time to be a qualitative person, even in your personal life. So that is what actually had been said here. So let us move to the next one. Here you need to understand how to find a SWOT. Now we have come to know the importance of SWOT and how to find it in your life. What are the essential steps that you need to do to identify the SWOT in you, to do the analysis of SWOT? So that I'm going to tell you now, listen to me effectively. In order to know about your strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, or challenges, you should possess certain important things and aspects so that you can easily identify them. So let me tell you, there are some important aspects that are identified as strengths. The first one is merits. Here you need to understand what are your merits. Okay, so you need to focus on your education and the studies and your learnings. So where you are in your learnings, where you are in your studies, where you are in your progression. So here you need to analyze based on all these. So you need to focus on your merits first. This is the first aspect. Let us move to the second one. Our edge over others. Here you need to compare with others and their talents, their merits, and their strengths. Compared to others' merits, what are your merits? Compared to others' talents, what are your talents? Compared to others' qualities, what are yours? So that you need to analyze and try to make yourself to be very strong enough in terms of your qualities, merits, and as well as talents. Let us move to the next one. Availability of personal resources. Here you need to know what are your sources. What are the sources are available in order to let yourself to be progressed. Definitely everybody can find some sources. You need to identify your sources first. So definitely there can be a source, not only one. You can find a few sources at least. So you need to identify what are the sources that are available in order to let yourself to be progressed, so that you can focus on them, you can use them, utilize them effectively in order to have a great career or a bright future. Let us move to the next one. Strengths others can see in us. So here you need to listen to others, especially your teachers, your parents, other family members, and your well-wishers and friends. Because these are the people who always identify your strengths and your weaknesses. Try to know about them by interacting with them. Okay, this is also very important aspect in order to make yourself to be very strong. Next one. Here you need to identify your unique talents that you feel proud of yourself. So definitely we can find talents in us. So what are the specific or special, even unique talents that are there in you compared to others? Okay, so here you listen to others and get to know your strengths, and at the same time you will focus on yourself and come to know what are your talents and strengths. Okay, so the moment when you come to know about them, you need to work out on them, you need to strengthen them. That's what actually you must do. Here Here, these talents may not be identified by others. Only you can identify the talents that are there in you. Okay, such kind of talents must be identified, nourished and strengthened. That is what actually you must do. Okay, so it is also one of the aspects of strength. The next one. Here you need to identify some of the values which are greater than others' values. So definitely when you try to interact with others, you'll come to know their values. As you have come to know about the values that are observed by other people, you need to inculcate such kind of values in you. So in such a way you need to do. So then only you can be recognized, you can be identified, you can be specified, right? So every time when time comes now, you have to prove yourself that you are stronger or greater than someone who is being with you. SWOT analysis is the one which helps you a lot to identify even your strengths, even to identify the strengths that are acquired. Let us move to the next one. Here you need to identify the total number of your friends that are there to motivate you and inspire you every time. Because we people are mortal beings. Definitely we get problems into our lives. We get a lot of miseries, worries. We may not be effective every time. We may be passive in some situations. In those specific times, we need some other people who can motivate us, who can inspire us, so that you can push forward yourself effectively and attain success. That is the reason why you need to identify your friends who can help you and motivate you and inspire you, not to let you pass your time, not to let you disturb yourself. We can find many people upon the earth who can disturb us, who can mislead us. So such kind of people are not at all required. You need great people who can motivate you and help you in your difficulties, in your worries, who can be with you in your worst moments. So that is what actually you must do. So all of these are very good aspects in order to develop strength. The next one is weaknesses. Here you must know your weaknesses. So the moment when you know your weaknesses, you can make them as stepping stones, you can make them as strengths so that you can utilize them. You can make yourself to be perfect at the same time. You can have a bright future at the same time. So here it is very important to know about your weaknesses. Now I would like to emphasize some of the weaknesses and bring to your notice so that you can identify what are those. Okay, first one is lack of confidence. So you need to identify whether you have this weakness, because we can find many people upon the earth who are with lack of confidence. That is the reason why always those people are encouraged to be confident enough, to develop self-confidence in them, right? So we can find many people like them. So you need to identify whether you have this weakness. If you feel that you have this weakness, you make sure you have to make it strong. Okay, and you have to overcome it. Next one, public fear. Yeah, this is also identified as weakness, a great weakness. So there are many people who are completely scared to speak in front of the people, in front of the public. What can be done if they speak in front of the people? Nothing would happen. But due to having fear, so they may not encourage themselves to speak in front of the people. If it is done so, they'll never be progressed in their lives. That has to be overcome. So then only you can have a bright future. The next one. Here you need to understand the situations and the tasks that we are afraid of. Yes, definitely everybody will get kind of worst situations. So the moment when you face such kind of difficulties in terms of tasks or situations, face them with great bravely and great strength, and try to overcome them and try to get benefit out of them so that you can get success into your life. There are some other weaknesses that are identified as general weaknesses, which means the weakness that is there in you, also there in me, even in everybody. Even those weaknesses also must be identified and overcome. So try to understand, apart from these, there are some other general weaknesses that are identified by your well-wishers or some other people, those who are surrounded by you. Here, you need to accept those and try to make yourself to be strong in all of those weaknesses. So you need to even try to overcome them also. Though they are general weaknesses, can be seen in everybody. You need to be very serious even in terms of overcoming them, which are nothing but lack of punctuality, indecency, indiscipline, and short temper, becoming emotional. Even these are also identified as great weaknesses. You need to identify these weaknesses that are there in you and make yourself to be strong in terms of these weaknesses. You need to overcome them. So the moment when you do this, you can be perfect. You can achieve anything that you wanted to achieve. So that is what actually has been said here. Hope you understood what I'm telling. Let us move to the next one. Here it has been said about opportunities. Yes, you have come to know about strengths, you have come to know about your weaknesses, and the next one, opportunities that are there for you. So here, none of the opportunity will come into your hands or into your laps. You need to find, you need to trace out, and you need to chase. Okay, so you need to find the opportunities that are there for you. So immediately what you must do? You need to trace out. After tracing out, you need to chase them. Right? So let me tell you what are those opportunities. The first one, adapting to new things. So try to make yourself to adapt to the new things. Okay, maybe the advanced things in terms of the technology or trending, whatever that you take on. You need to try to tackle the difficult subject that others fail to do. Make yourself to tackle the difficulties that are there in them or in their subject, so that you can be identified, you can be well recognized, okay, and you can be given kind of a great boost up. So that is what actually had been said here. So what you must do here, you need to find these opportunities. So let us move to the next one, which is the third one. So here you need to find new theories, new subjects, okay, and new professions, so that you can be given good opportunities over there, so that you can be given good chances over there, as they are new to the people, even to the societies. It is also one of the opportunities. The next one, you must make yourself to be active in taking of the sources, resources. So whatever the resources are there, that you need to identify and make yourself to utilize them effectively. Make yourself to be active in taking the resources and utilizing the resources that are available. The next one, extraordinary skills and talents. So this is also very important. Here, it is also one of the opportunities, extraordinary skills and extraordinary talents. Here, you need to try to find some of the extraordinary skills and talents, so that you can make yourself to acquire them if it is possible, because it is also one of the opportunities that you can do. So whatever the opportunity that you can see or you can find, immediately you have to try to get it. That is what actually you have to do. The next one, areas of complaint. So here you need to find some of the areas where a lot of complaints are arised. So the moment when you come to know the complaints that are arised in a particular area, so that you can work out on a particular area and try to give a great resolution from your side, so that you can grasp and grab everything that you required. So that is what actually had been said here. So the moment when you are able to find the areas of complaint, so that you can try to resolve it, and you can try to improve yourself strong and try to get success in your life. I hope you understood what I'm talking. Let us move to the next one, challenges. So here you need to find some of the difficult situations or challenging situations or tasks that puts you down, that makes you to be worrisome. Immediately after finding these, you need to write on the paper, and you need to try to overcome them by facing effectively. So that is what actually you must do when it comes to the first challenge. Let us move to the next one. Here you need to find some of the obstacles that are faced based on the current issues. So maybe, for example, if you take the current issue, which is the corona, okay, and there are a lot of obstacles faced by many people. Okay, as like as many, even you too. So what are the challenges that you face on the current issues? So you need to try to overcome them. Instead of put yourself far away to them, you need to face them. You need to overcome them. So here you need to try to do something that you can do in order to overcome these obstacles that are faced on the current issues. Okay, it is also one of the great challenges that you must identify. Next one, competition in the relevant field. So here you need to find the competition, even the competitors that are there in your field. So identify your competitors. Next one, failures due to weaknesses. Due to having some weaknesses, you may get continuously some failures. You need to accept those failures first. Okay, and at the same time, you need to try to overcome your weaknesses. And you need to try to overcome your weaknesses and try to minimize getting failures. So that is what actually you must do. Let us move to the next one. Here you need to identify the demand which is increased in the field that you have chosen. So it is also a challenge only. Okay, the moment when you are able to identify the demand that is increased in your chosen field, so that you can try to work out on it, try to make it to your favor. So it is also very important. So these are the essential factors that are identified as challenges. Apart from these, you may identify some other challenges in your life, maybe related to some health issues, maybe related to some other personal issues. So a lot of challenges are there. Okay, so remember here, if your attitude is good and right, I'm sure definitely you can minimize most of the challenges. Attitude plays vital role in everybody's life. Okay, and SWOT analysis are very important in order to make yourself to be very strong enough or have a great future. I hope you understood the topic today. Thank you very much. Have a good day.